everyone, it's Paul Bertorelli reporting from the Sport Aviation Expo in Sebring, Florida, and this is what passes for a mob here. What these folks are looking at is called the Commuter Craft Innovator. It definitely looks different, and Richard Hogan is going to tell us why it looks different.
We have the Innovator here today to show people. Its first flight was this last fall. It was designed to be a very safe aircraft and yet still have a wide range of performance options. So our intent was to help grow aviation by making something exciting that also met the needs of a broader group of people, especially new pilots. So our first aircraft, this is Ship 1, was actually designed to highlight some of the higher performance features of the airframe. It's a 200-mile-an-hour airplane, cruises about 180 miles an hour, and yet it still slows down well and lands at a slow speed comfortably. But we'll make lighter versions of this that will be light sport compliant in the future, that will also be a great stepping stone for people that are new to aviation, have those gentle characteristics. It's also a very wide cockpit so that it's very comfortable for new pilots. But also just an exciting look. The new stall-resistant characteristics that are inherent in this airplane we think are going to be a good safety feature for new pilots. And overall, we wanted to have an airplane that people, this is originally an experimental aircraft. Will be licensed, and people come to our plant and build it in our facility with jigs so that we have absolute influence on making sure the aircraft gets built correctly. We're trying to make it affordable, so try not to make it too complicated. Number one safety feature that we built in is that this aircraft is a three-surface design, which means that it has the inherent stall spin resistance of a canard, but by having the additional control surface, it allows us to land slower than a traditional canard of the same category. So that is probably the biggest single factor. The low speed handling characteristics, again, just a broad brush, make an airplane a little safer when you can land and take off at slower speeds. It's also got a carbon fiber fuselage that acts as a protective encasing of the cockpit and helps protect the pilot in case they did have an accident or something. It's an added level of support. This particular aircraft's built with a Titan IO 340. It's a 180 horsepower engine, very similar to the Lycoming 320, only with a little larger displacement to get the 180 horsepower. So it's a traditional aircraft type engine. We want to stay with, initially with well-proven engines. This one has a long history of reliability. As we go into a light sport variant, we'll be using aircraft engines. We'll have a couple of options. Right now we're looking at UL power as a primary option for the initial flight test of the light sport compliant aircraft. They'll be in the 100 to 130 horsepower range. And with this airframe, the big thing we have to do is probably use a cruise prop to keep from having too high of a cruise speed on it. The other characteristics, the slow speed characteristics, are in line with what you'd expect from a light sport. So you can find Commuter Craft, and the Google search for Commuter Craft gets you there, but it's commutercraft.com, and learn more about our aircraft and get to see some exciting video of the first flights.